Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing. So let's get into the video. So firstly, if you have this issue of the new feature of Instagram Notes music not showing up, firstly go to your App Store and see if you have the latest updated version of your Instagram. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and check for Instagram if there is any updates. So if there is an update, so just update it. I don't have any update, so that's fine. So once you've updated, so what you're going to do, you're going to just open up your Instagram, go to your account here. So when you get to your account here, all right, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your profile option and then click on this on your top right here to the settings and activity option, and then scroll down and you will see this option here where you'll see messages and story replies. Hit on it and then go to activity status option. Simply click on it and then toggle this switch on. So turn that on, show activity status. So turn that on and then you can relaunch this app. And if you go to your profile back here, then you should be able to see your notes, your notes feature along with the music option here. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.